Pineapples arrive and are staged for intake inspection. Each lot is weighed to establish mass balance. Key quality parameters are checked on arrival.
Visual inspection confirms suitability for processing. Approved lots are released in first in, first out order.
Fruit is transferred to the line with minimal impact.
Loose debris is removed before washing.
Flume washing loosens soil and contaminants. Fresh water rinses residues after flume washing. A controlled sanitizer step reduces surface microbial load. Residual sanitizer is removed with a final rinse. Excess surface water is removed before inspection.
The team conducts a thorough post-wash inspection.
Fruit is positioned for crown removal.
Pineapple crowns are removed to allow peeling. Outer peel is mechanically removed. Peeled fruit moves forward while peel is segregated.
Remaining eyes are trimmed to specification.
Trimmed fruit is aligned for core removal. The fibrous core is removed for texture control. Core removal is visually verified.
Fruit is reduced to uniform pieces for extraction.
Optical sorting removes remaining defects. Prepared pieces are fed steadily to size reduction. Grinding converts pieces into a coarse mash. Pulp is separated from coarse fibrous material. Finishing refines texture and diverts fiber byproduct. Final sieving ensures particle uniformity. Entrained air is removed to protect quality.
Buffering stabilizes flow to downstream processes.
Fiber is mechanically dewatered for further processing. Moisture is reduced to stabilize the fiber. Dried fiber is milled to powder form. Sieving ensures consistent fiber particle size. Finished fiber is packed for byproduct sale.
Puree is metered to blending for standardization.
Blending equalizes natural variation.
Composition is verified before pasteurization.
Heat treatment ensures product safety. Required time and temperature are maintained.
Microbiological verification samples are taken. Product is held under aseptic conditions.
Sterile transfer protects product integrity.
Packaging is sterilized before filling.
Puree is filled under aseptic conditions.
Seals are applied to maintain sterility. Lot coating ensures traceability.
Filled weight is automatically verified.
Vision systems confirm seal quality.
Primary packs are placed into outer cases.
Final foreign body control is applied.
Cases are palletized for storage.
Pallets are stabilized for safe handling.
Finished pallets are stored under controlled conditions.
Cleaning in place prepares equipment for the next run.
Final rinsing removes cleaning residues.
Shipments are prepared for dispatch.
Finished pallets are moved to the loading area.
Outbound scans convert shipment identity.
Pallets are loaded for controlled transport. Seals protect product integrity during transit. The shipment departs the facility. Empty bins are staged for sanitation. Reusable bins are thoroughly washed. Sanitizing reduces cross-contamination risk.
Bins are dried before reuse. Production and QC records are finalized.
Fiber byproduct pallets are stored separately.
Packaging integrity is verified before shipment.
Fiber bags are prepared for dispatch. Byproduct pallets are staged for shipment. Treated wastewater is discharged per permit. Storage conditions are continuously monitored. Aseptic equipment is secured after production. Equipment is safely locked out after use.
where parts are inspected between runs.
Obtained samples are stored for traceability.
The production batch is formally closed. Inventory records are synchronized after dispatch. Sanitation preparation begins for the next cycle. External surfaces are cleaned between runs.
Wash water is routed to wastewater treatment.
Cleaning effectiveness is visually verified.
Sanitation activities are documented for compliance.
Equipment is released for the next production.
Receiving areas are reset after operations.
The plant is ready for the next batch. All processing lines are confirmed idle.
Finished product retains are archived.
Shipping paperwork is finalized. The production cycle concludes.
Critical control points are verified and signed off. Maintenance activities are documented. Packaging stock is reconciled after use. Safety systems are checked before restart.
Daily production results are communicated internally.
Utility consumption is reviewed after production.
Water usage is checked for efficiency and compliance.
Personnel follow hygiene procedures at shift end.
The next sanitation cycle is scheduled. The facility is secured after operations.
Site security status is monitored continuously.
Access points are locked and logged. Finished goods remain secured in storage.
Systems transition to night monitoring mode.
Production day fully concludes.
Transport temperature data is verified post-dispatch.
Production data is securely archived. Loading areas are cleared and secured. The production cycle is complete.